Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara. I've been asking each week up in the cards what you'd like to see next. You guys have really been loving my Instant Pot recipe videos, as well as my busy work week series. So today, we're gonna be making a super delicious potato leek soup in our Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, you can still make this recipe, and I will leave complete instructions in the description box below, as well as a full ingredient list. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to hit the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. So if you guys are ready to make some incredibly delicious potato leek soup, then keep on watching. This recipe is going to come together very quickly. We're going to start by smashing down the garlic. It's very helpful in order to get it out of the skins. And then I'm putting it inside of my garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, you can just roughly chop the garlic because we are going to puree the soup anyway. Then I'm taking my potatoes, I've peeled them, and I'm just roughly chopping them. Remember, we do not have to be perfect. Once our potatoes are ready to go, we're going to get started on the leeks. Leeks are extremely dirty, so I highly recommend rinsing them after you've chopped them up, and I'm using 2 leeks here. Then we're going to grab our Instant Pot. We're going to set it to saute on high. When it's hot, we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil, and then we're going to put in our leeks. We do not want to burn the leeks. That is very, very important. So once they've just softened just a little bit, we're going to add the garlic. And I'm just keeping everything moving in the pot so nothing will stick. I did decide to add another little drizzle of olive oil. Next, we need to deglaze the pot. This is a very important step with the Instant Pot so you do not get the dreaded burn signal. So I'm gonna add some vegetable broth to this pot. You can use chicken stock if you'd prefer. I wanted to keep the base of this soup vegetarian. Now I'm going to add all the rest of the vegetable broth once I've made sure there's nothing burned on the bottom. Then we're going to add our potatoes. I'm just giving it a nice stir, and now we're going to put the rest of our seasonings in. So I'm going to put some bay leaves, we're going to put some thyme, some white pepper. I love using white pepper. It produces a different type of heat. You can omit it if you don't want this to be spicy. And I'm just stirring everything around. I realized I forgot to add the basil, so I'm going to add it now. Of course, you can add it in the beginning when we're adding the other spices. I'm just stirring everything up really well. And now we're going to grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on. We're going to hit cancel on the Instant Pot, set it to manual on high pressure, and cook this for 15 minutes. This is a really quick soup to make. It's perfect for a busy work week. As soon as you hear the beep, we can do a quick release. And as soon as the pin drops, we are good to open it. I absolutely love my Instant Pot because it just makes things so simple, especially during the week. So we need to remove the bay leaves, and then I'm going to grab my immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can transfer to a regular blender, but just be very careful. Once you get this to the consistency that you prefer, it's time to add the cream. I'm using coconut cream here. I love using coconut cream. Of course, you could use heavy whipping cream or even milk if you prefer. To keep this recipe completely vegetarian, simply omit the bacon. It will still be absolutely delicious. So I'm going to use my air fryer to make the bacon. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also do it either in the microwave or in the oven. And I'm just layering it inside of my air fryer. I love the air fryer. It's just so incredibly easy. About halfway through, I'm flipping the bacon over. And once it's to the doneness that you prefer, remove it from the air fryer or the oven or the microwave, and then crumble it up and serve it on top of your delicious soup. What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. Let me know either a recipe you'd like to see. Are you interested in fish recipes, chicken, beef, pasta? I would love to hear from you. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video on all of your social media platforms with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.